Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junction IT presents Technologic. Today I am going to show the Dell Inspiron 14z-5423 laptop disassembly and complete teardown process. If you like the video after watching, then please press the like button and share the video with your friends. Also please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for new tutorial videos. Now, let's start the video. And I am requesting to watch the full video. Hi, today I have a Dell Inspiron 14z-5423 laptop and I am going to disassemble this laptop. See, this is the laptop model number, and service tag or express service code area located. This is the access cover. Remove the access cover, where the RAM located. Now, remove all screws form the bottom base cover. Remove the RAM from RAM slot. Now, remove the DVD writer. This is the keypad screw. We need to unscrew this screw to remove the laptop keypad. Now, remove the keypad. There are some keypad locks. First, unlock the locks to remove the keypad. This is the keypad connection from the motherboard. Disconnect the connection to remove the keypad completely. Remove the settings button connection. Remove the light indicator connection. Now, remove the touchpad connection. Unscrew all screws to remove the touchpad assembly. Now, unlock the touchpad assembly locks to remove the touchpad assembly. Always use a sludger or a plastic scribe to unlock the touchpad assembly locks. This is the battery. Unscrew the battery screws to remove the battery. This is the 2.5-inch hard disk. Remove the hard disk. Remove the display connection from the motherboard. This is the Wi-Fi card. Remove the Wi-Fi card. This is called solid-state drive or SSD. Remove the solid-state drive from the motherboard. Now, unscrew the motherboard screws for removing the motherboard. This is the I/O board connection. Disconnect the I/O board connection from the motherboard. This is the heatsink with fan in front view of motherboard. And this is the back view of the motherboard. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.